Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will be unboxing STEELSERIES Alias Pro mic. So let's head to unboxing. You open it from the side. As you see right here, you open it like that and it should fold. Wait, let me switch it up. And then you have this. I'm sorry the box is a little damaged, but it had arrived like that. There is the stream deck. I mean, it's a mini deck for the mic. There is the mic itself, as you see, nicely packaged. There's the instructions on this, and underneath there should be a cable. Let me see. So you should open it like that, and as you see, that's all the parts. There is the cable. It's a really nice one, and you have, let me just open it for you. I'll just do it like that. I'll just do it like that. And there's the cables as well. There's two cables in case you need one more. There is the mic plugin, and there are some spare parts. As you see, you can build yourself a nice charger, and I will quickly put it to the side. And that should be it for the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.